Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you some indicators, and I want you to take a deep breath because I've seen lots of comments on X.com, YouTube, you name it, mainly on other accounts or YouTube videos where people are freaking out. Are we really going through a bull cycle? Are we not? I think the consensus is among everyone, we are not yet there. Money supply hasn't taken off yet, and there's various signals, but I want you to think a little longer term. And because of my age, I shouldn't be the one thinking long term. If a lot of you are younger than me, probably most of you, you should be thinking a little longer term. What do I mean by that? Crypto is, and I've said this before, we are just at the tip of the iceberg. Let me show you what I mean. But first, in terms of bull run, I like this, and I'll put a link down below. CoinGlass has a list, and you can click and see the historical data. These are various indicators that people like to watch. So instead of making your own list and putting it in a spreadsheet, here it is. Oh, I forgot to say, I have a disclaimer. I'm a big dumb animal. Don't do what I do. Informational purposes only. But if you were to click one, like you come down here and you say, all right, the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I want to take a look at that. You click, it takes you right to the page. You can see that Bitcoin is still pretty much actually in accumulation, not quite even up to the sell areas, if you're familiar with that indicator. But bottom line, hit or not, and up here, hold 100%. In other words, we're not yet in the bull market. And this is to try to tell you, are we getting towards the top of the bull market? And it's got this hit ratio, 0 of 30. So we want to watch, obviously, how the cryptos do, what sectors they're in, etc. But in terms of the entire market, when we need to get out of everything, this will give you an idea. But that's short-term thinking. So at the moment, we're not yet in that bull run cycle. If you go to CoinMarketCap and you scroll down, as you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, here's the list of all of these. And the trillions of dollars or hundreds of billions of dollars. Scroll to the bottom and you realize that this list, there's the top 100, even the top 200 are pretty impressive. And this goes to what, 107 pages of 100 rows per page, well over 10,000 different crypto. Not saying they're all useful. Ethereum, for example, we know what they do. What's this? $400 billion. So this entire market, if you're not familiar, you go to TradingView.com, you type in, I already did it, but you type in total, T-O-T-A-L, and it gives you the total market cap. By the way, if things aren't coming up for you, just make sure you look up the top here, click crypto, it's only going to search within crypto. Okay. This is last times in 2021 high in the blue here. This is everything, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. And what is the total of all of those 10,000 coins? $3.43 trillion. And you're thinking, that's a lot of money. Hold on a second. Let's look at a stock. Let's look at something everyone knows, NVIDIA. You go to the right here. Here we are in NVIDIA. You scroll down and you say, what's their market capitalization? 3.34 trillion. Wait a second. What was total again? 3.34, and the total crypto market is 3.43. Okay. So the entire crypto market barely has a total market cap larger than one stock. Granted, I picked a big one, but I don't know. Tesla. Elon's always in the news. What's Tesla? 1.37 trillion. Come on. Unbelievable. What is Amazon? Amazon is a good one to look at, and I'll tell you why in a second. These are just a couple NASDAQ stocks. 2.35 trillion. So there are stocks, and one of those companies is worth as much or more than the entire market cap. So I don't believe that crypto is going away. I see use cases for many of these cryptos, significant use cases, and I believe it's the future. So don't just think short term, but think long term, because this is not going to go away. The reason I think Amazon is a good analogy is forget the fact that they have, their Amazon Web Services in terms of revenue. Let's just assume for the moment that most, if not all, of Amazon's revenue is coming from their platform. Okay, so other people use their platform and sell. So when you go online to buy something and you look at who's selling it, well, usually it's not, Amazon does have some Amazon products, but again, the majority are products made by other companies, sold by other people. Sometimes the other company, sometimes a distributor. And those people can ship directly from their warehouses to you, even though you bought on Amazon. Amazon also has services where they'll house your products and that sort of thing and ship it for you. However, generally speaking, Amazon is a platform and other companies are selling on top of it. And how does Amazon make money? They take fees, whether it be a little bit of storage fees, some shipping fees, some selling fees, you name it, they take fees. Hedera, as an example. What are they doing? They're onboarding company after company after company that's using Hedera as a platform. And how does Hedera make money? They charge fees. What am I getting at? What I'm getting at is if you look at some of the people that are getting onto Hedera's platform and you look at the 39 or however many companies are on their governing council, that's one crypto that I could see one day being as large market cap wise as an Amazon. So the fact that the total market is so small, it's the size of one stock. That is nothing. It could easily be, in my opinion, the size of 10 stocks quite shortly. Now, a lot of people are saying total market cap is only going to get up to, let's say, 10 or 12 this cycle around. 10 or 12 trillion dollars. And that may be right. But could I see it easily getting to 20 trillion? Sure. Once more people get involved and they understand what's going on, this is really going to take off. And if you're worried about where we are in the market, I always talk about using the indicator called others because it's everything other than the top 10. Look at this. If you take out the top 10, look at the top 10. Take out Bitcoin, which is really a store of value, right? It's not providing a product or a service like these others. Ethereum. Now people are building on that. Lots of fees, product or service. XRP, we don't even know what they're doing because they won't tell anybody. Tether is a stable coin. BNB. Okay. Solana, Doge, a meme, another stable coin. Cardano's doing stuff. Tron. Okay. So out of the top 10, maybe 5 are actually bringing in revenue and doing something. Let's take all of those out. And it's only 350 billion. Okay. Which is what? 1/10 of Nvidia's size. And this is where it started last time. We're not even in price discovery. I'm sorry. This is the peak last time, this orange line in the 2021. We haven't even gone above the peak. We're not yet in a bull run. However, if you were to go to sleep and wake up 10 years from now, I think you'd still be okay. And I think you'd be amazed at what you have. So step back. Don't look at all the trees. Look at the forest. Hope this was helpful and it calms you down. I'm going to put this link down below so you can look at all these various indicators. It's great because you can quickly see, like, people show this one all the time. Altcoin season index. We're at a 50. Above 75, we're in altcoin season. Down here, we're not. Okay. Instead of calling up all of these URLs, you can just scroll down here. Altcoin season index is showing 49. Is that what it's showing? Yep. That's what it's showing. So it gives you the indicators right here. Bitcoin dominance, 56.5%. You don't have to go over here and type in BTC.D to check out what it is. This is now my latest, greatest little cheat sheet. I didn't make it. Whoever made it, kudos. I guess it's CoinGlass, but there's probably a developer behind it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope we're going to make generational wealth together with crypto. I'll put this in the link below. If you know of any other lists where people have put like all the indicators and compiled them in one list, please put that below. I'd appreciate it. Oh, hit that like button. Have a great day.